Today we pack up our favorite room, taking it from this to boxes. So I'm in the reading room. This is probably the family's favorite room of the entire house. As you can see, it is full of books, which we love books. We are big readers. There's books on the walls here. And then behind me is a wonderful couch that we read on. That is one full bookshelf emptied up, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves. So gives me an idea about how many more boxes I'm going to need to wrap up. Well, there you are. That's a dozen boxes. Actually, no, it's 16 boxes. 16 boxes of books came from those empty shelves right there. So a little bit of the methodology here. We try to use only these Home Depot small boxes. They're pretty standard. What makes them easy is they all stack uniformly. Or minimize the amount of space you pack things in, maximize efficiency. Also, especially when you're packing something heavy like books, one of these small boxes is more than you really want to carry in itself. So what I try to do with books is I try to start with books that are fairly uniform, and kind of like they're sitting on the bookshelf. Place them back in the box like that, like they were on the bookshelf. And then the idea is to then kind of Tetris the rest of the books around them, so you have most efficient packing. I would say we probably use about 90% of the space in the books, or at least 90% of the space of the boxes with the books when they're like this. Bookshelves are empty of books. It was that many boxes. All right, every last one fit. All right, we're at the storage unit, and this is what we have so far. We're going to bring the books in and see what we end up with. 28 cartons of books.